Yeah, she's gonna get ignored. April 23. Range day today. Um, yeah, that's right, Gold. Only fill one of them orders. Only fill one of them damn things. Only fill one. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, Yo, what's up, Smith? You streaming tonight or what? Honestly, I probably should have waited for I probably should have waited for yeah, I probably should have waited for a better entry, but we'll see if they pop it here at this low. We'll see if they pop it here. But I probably should have waited for like 55, 50. That's probably where this price is going at. Yeah, I just probably should have waited. Yeah, I caught the pump and I caught the pump. Actually, no, I didn't catch the pump. I caught the short. I caught the short. Girl, shut the hell up. And you know, Alfred, our boy Smith, he's still stuck over there on the Nasdaq, having the Nasdaq treat him all type of way. I keep trying to tell him to come over here to gold and trade it, but for whatever reason, he's over there getting abused by the Nasdaq. Mm.
All we do is win over here, baby. I don't know what you talking about. We don't take abuse on the NQ.
Taking abuse on the NQ. Being abused by the NQ over there. Come bring your talents over here to gold. Make this real money.
Look, I get treated well on NQ. Max daily profit. We don't want to just take his money. We want to take his happiness too. And that's what the NASDAQ does. Is take away your happiness. Uh-huh. She can do that if you let her.
We don't
Trick is you can't let her.
Mm-hmm.
You let her get away with that.
Yeah, I don't remember that, Alfred. I don't remember
that. He said, I don't remember that. I believe it, Alfred. He over there acting brand new, cheating on NQ. Ain't that some shit?
One time, depending on the Bears right now.
Is the Nasdaq even moving right now? Is she even moving?
She's at 788.
Oh yeah, okay.
86,
She ain't moving.
Mm-hmm. She's doing the right thing right now. She's doing the right thing. What's up with your boy Trump, man?
Oh, you talking about the power slander? Is that what you're talking about?
Well, there's that. There's these tariffs now. Talking about I'm a let up on China. They're not. What do you say? Like 145 or 50% or whatever it was is too high.
Mm.
I was like, oh, start that now. Don't backtrack now. Weaken the streets out here, my boy.
Yeah, I ain't heard nothing about that. I'm still stuck on the Powell slander. Like, no, we tapped in with Powell. We ain't gonna tolerate none of that shit. We ain't tolerating none of that.
He's been riding with us for years.
Shit, you see them approval ratings go down.
Yeah. Market will miss him when he retires, though, but as of right now. No, I saw something that said that he, because the rumors was he wanted to fire him or whatever, but he came out and said that he intentions of firing him. That's what I saw. Squash that mess, that slander. See, you over there getting tortured in gold jail when you could be taking the shorts with me, baby, on NQ.
NQ ain't doing nothing.
That bad B.
NQ ain't doing nothing. She's stuck. She floating in midair. She just, by the time I switch screens, she only moved a point. Gold over here moving.
You better check again. You lucky out they only give me one contract. So I gotta be strategic. Yeah, baby, yeah. What's that, Sharp? What you talking?
She gonna pump. She gonna pump.
Let's go, AQ. Yeah. Lucky I only got one contract. I'd have tore this position up. Yeah. Let's go to target, baby. To target, baby. Actually, I could. This is oh. NQ says she's not going to tolerate the slander on her.
Gold, you bet not do it. Gold, you bet not do it.
Can you make the S1 NQ?
Bet not.
I think you can. ES got more room to. Yeah. She got a few more points in her. Make it to that juicy demand down here.
So Gold, I can't understand why you he didn't show up for me. Why you didn't show up for your boy? All right, so let's see what you do here.
Get mistreated if you want.
Okay.
Get mistreated over there on gold. Told you she don't listen. But our shorts are shorting over here, baby. Over on the good side, NQ side.
Hmm.
Shorts are shorting.
How much you up right now?
ETH futures. Mind you, I only have one contract, so I'm up like 600.
Hold on, that's the MFF account, right? Yo, close that.
Well, I can't because I did take some. I'm not gonna lie, I did take some L's at the beginning, small L's. So I'm kind of getting that back. So this position is up 600. Let me say that, but I'm only up like 200. So we getting that back, and I'm going to target. Once we hit target, I'll be done. Let's go, NQ.
So, go. What the hell was just? What the hell was that? Man, I think she's trying to go for my stop.
Alfred popped in the chat.
Yeah, sure.
Come on. Just looking for S1. Looking for that demand down there. But it might bounce it right here though. Be petty. I hate this session to trade in. I don't even know why I'm in here right now. To be honest.
I mean, you should be able to. Hold on. I could have sworn I. I try to unmute Alfred. Are you? I think you're muted on your side. Try to unmute.
I hear something.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, this was.
Hello, hello.
All right, there you go.
All right. Yeah, I was gonna say I made 2,000 on gold
Mm-hmm.
and that pump up, but see, it's because I'm on a combine. I can't trade it on the take profit because I don't have the COMEX data.
Mm-hmm.
So I just rode a couple longs, but yeah, I'm
Well,
gonna try and
Alfred,
take
let me
advantage of
ask
the
you this.
yeah.
Which one you enjoy trading more, gold or Nasdaq?
Well, I enjoy Nasdaq because I've been trading Nasdaq for like a couple years now. Gold is still new to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There'll be no NQ slander around here.
But which one do you enjoy better though? When you trade it?
NQ. NQ because it moves faster.
You think so?
Yeah.
When gold moves, sometimes gold could be stuck in one spot, or like you think you're in a pullback on gold, and you're in the reversal,
Mm-hmm.
just like you were. You thought it was going short, then it popped up on you. So you got to be careful with gold because I learned that the hard way. I was in the XFA before, and I was in a long, and then it like fell out the sky. And I hit the reverse button, and then I got my money back.
That's what we talking about. We get our money back on gold, baby. We getting the money
Yeah,
back
but
on gold.
it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy, and I was sweating the whole time.
No, I'm talking about me. I'm getting my money back. Shit.
Oh.
Get my money back. I'm getting my money back. Oh man.
So,
But you said that, dude, I've just had so much hate Nasdaq now. I mean, I don't like, dude, the way that gold treats me, I don't have to tolerate that shit from Nasdaq. I don't have to tolerate that shit. Now, I think gold might be moving like this because we broke all-time highs, and you know, gold is probably just trying to find balance. I'll give it that. But as long as it's moving like this, shit, you know, I'm with gold. But I mean, I guess when it slows down, Nasdaq was like, "Oh, I see that we're back, huh? We're back, huh?
Yeah.
You trying to
Well,
get back together with me?"
in the Asia session, gold is a lot better.
Yeah.
That's funny. I mentioned that to him yesterday.
I mean, it's true. I mean, I ain't say he was lying. I ain't say he was lying or nothing.
Yeah, because between 8 and 9 o'clock, like you can see some kind of big move in gold. It
Yeah,
takes a direction, and if you happen to jump on board at the right time, you can be very profitable. But if you miss it and you want to jump in late, it'll crash on you.
I think that might be going up. I think the shorts are probably done. That looks like that can potentially go up. I think the shorts might be done on gold, but we'll
Yeah, you
we'll
don't
see with
need a
the
big move
longs.
on gold to get money.
What tick count are you trading on, Sharon?
I think
gold.
180.
180 ticks.
If I take this short, I'm gonna have to keep my stops real tight because I think this actually might be it for gold, honestly. But we'll see. I mean, if I'll get a drop, I'll welcome it. But I think I should switch to longs. If it pops back up, I'm gonna flip long. Because that could be a drop, and yeah, I think I might be wrong here. I think I might be wrong trying to short this. I think it might actually be trying to go long now.
This might be a case of you having to take a break even. I know it's number one on your blasphemy list, but
I'm starting to say that now. That's number one on my blasphemy list. Because that is blasphemy. That's blasphemy number one. I ain't take a trade to break even. I did not take no trade to break even.
it's better to get out with little green than big red.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Better to take break even than a loss.
I learned that the hard way today because I was like, nah, I'm not taking a break even. And then this shit came back and took away $800. I was like, ooh, I should have took that break even.
No, Alfred, you did the right thing. You did the right thing.
I didn't. I did the wrong thing.
Tell people that.
Because then that turns into a downward spiral because it's like, man, I got to get that back. And then all of a sudden you lose more.
Oh, you lost more?
Had you take, well, yeah. Because I wasn't thinking straight. I was like, all right, if it's going to go this way, like I was in MNQ and I had oversized because I was like, yeah, this is going to keep pumping. It's going to keep pumping. And then like the floor fell from under me and I'm sitting there like, nah, I'm not taking a break even. It came back to my break even. I didn't take it. It fell even further. I'm just like, why didn't I just take that? And then I'm sitting there trying to flip flop. Like, okay, well, if it's going to short, then let me go ahead and flip short. And then as soon as I went short, it popped right back up. I'm just like, okay, well, there goes that idea.
Yeah, I mean, you saw it. Like the Nasdaq, I guess she does feel some type of way that I'm trading gold more often now. Because you saw how she just stopped me out at the T in 2 positions just to hit my TP. That did not feel good at all.
You see how the Nasdaq treats me? I said, yeah, because you sitting there looking at another chart.
Well, she's gonna have to get used to that. I got options. Shit, she's gonna have to get used to that.
Like I'm in the market.
I got options. I can trade anything. So she's gonna have to accept that.
Wow.
Hey, go, relax. 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 Gold, relax. Go back underneath that. Yeah, go back underneath that.
Not gold. Make him take his break even. Make him take the break even, gold. You want to play around?
Man, just reject this damn thing. Reject it. But like I said, I might be wrong here. Might be wrong. I think they're trying to buy this. Yeah, I think they're trying to buy this, man. I'm gonna have to.
See, you had 3 opportunities to take the break even.
Well, we don't do that. We don't do that here.
All right. All right.
We don't do that here.
See how big this red gets.
We don't do that here. Gold, if you come back down,
loss.
If you come back down,
oh yeah, go make him sweat. Go make him sweat. Look at that. You can't flip flop on gold, man.
Nah, you can't. Yo, what? Gold.
See?
Yo, gold. Don't you better not.
If you'd have took that break even, you wouldn't be down as much.
Honestly, like I'm so used to being down like 2 or 3K that honestly being down $400 is actually welcome. I don't even see $400 me being down $400 or $500.
All right, big time Sherm.
And I'm just being completely honest. I guess I'm used to trading now if I'm on a smaller account, obviously that's not a good thing. I'm trading to the size of the account. But
which account size is this?
This is a Apex 300K account.
Oh, well see you have wiggle room.
Mm-hmm. If I had if I was trading this with an MFF account, I only have 360 or 360. I would only lose $360 per trade because of the account size. I would have to stop out. Here I can kind of play around with it a little bit. Man, Gold, you better not do it. You better not drop.
Let him feel it, Gold. Let him feel it.
Dude, I feel like she's gonna drop, man. You better pop.
Yeah, because you kept saying you better drop lower, and then Gold was like, all right, I hear you.
This thing looks like it's gonna drop, man.
You asked for
Gold,
that,
I hate you, dude. Man, I hate you, Gold. That's crazy,
see how
yo.
fast he turns on it?
That's crazy, man.
How fast you turn on it?
Man, that's crazy. Man, that's fucking crazy, dude.
You were in the right position at the wrong time.
No way. No way.
Look at see? You see how Gold treats me? Treats me better than Nasdaq. He said that with like not even 10 minutes ago.
Okay. All right, Gold. I see what you're doing.
Gold is taking back all the profits.
Yeah, she definitely is.
It's like that Kevin Hart meme. You gonna learn today.
Okay, so she's just chopping me up in this little. You know what? Fine. I'm gonna stick into the shorts. This thing is going lower, dude. This thing is going lower.
How much did you just lose?
We don't talk about that here. We don't talk about that here.
My bad.
We don't talk about that.
There's no damage control. My bad. I was misinformed.
We don't talk about that. I guess Gold is really trying to show me that she's really bad out here. She says she doesn't want to be known for for not being toxic. She's toxic. And if she has to prove it, she will. Yeah, because she definitely did just chop me up in this range right here. And the crazy thing is that it's not even a big range.
Oh no, this is a small range for gold.
Mm-hmm. He's definitely chopping me up.
You got to listen to Investor Z in the chat. See, you can't be Ike. You can't be Ike Turner on gold. Trying to smack her around.
No, I'm about to smack her.
Sing that song, Tina.
It's my show. My show. All right. All right, man. Well,
let's see.
If it's not going down, then I mean, this is gold. This ain't Nasdaq. I'm gonna pay attention to what it does right here, man. I'm gonna pay attention.
You were oversized.
You know what? Gold is really not that bad. It's kind of, honestly, when I trade gold, it feels like ES. I'm comfortable trading with size with gold, honestly. It's just the Nasdaq that it's like, as soon as I put size on gold or on Nasdaq, she plays around too damn much.
Yeah, I had 2 minis on gold, and I was like, yeah, I felt oversized with 2 minis.
Did you really? Well, how much? What's your stop size with gold?
With gold, I give it about 4 points.
4 points. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Because that's $800. So
yeah, I mean, if you got a good spot, if you're not a good spot, honestly, you don't even need the. You don't even need that, but honestly, I keep 3 points, just because.
As soon as it starts moving, I start moving the stop with it, though.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, because I'm like, okay, if it's moved this much, there's a high chance that it could pull back.
Well, I mean, the good thing about gold is that once she's gone forever until she comes back.
Yeah. If you catch it at the right time, because sometimes gold will dance more than NQ. Like, man, why are you selling this one spot?
Y'all worried about the wrong things over there. And Sherm, I think at this point NQ is not welcoming you back.
She's gonna take me back. Who else? I mean, she's gonna take me back.
No,
she's gonna take me back.
NQ is gonna reject every trade you take.
She's gonna take me back.
Oh, this sure? Fuck that.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show the NQ that you got other options. Shit.
Okay. And it's Sherman Lamar.
Sometimes you gotta pop up and show the Nasdaq that you got other options. I can trade anything. You keep mistreating me, damn it. I ain't even gonna look at you. I'm not gonna see how much you move. All right. Like I said, man, it's a habit. I'm used to trading Nasdaq, so I mean, I do trade gold like she's a Nasdaq. I mean, I do it. I mean, I know what I'm supposed to do on gold. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to do it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and say that it ain't.
Yeah, gold is still foreign to me. That's why I don't mess with it too much. I'm more of an observer than a trader. Okay, it might do this, it might do that. Should I get in? No.
All right, so if this breaks, so I should have just stayed in my short. If this breaks, we can probably see a move down right here. And that's why I prefer to trade gold, because she don't play around. When she gets to dropping, and she ain't gonna stop.
Yeah, you don't even need that many points to make some profit.
You said what? Yeah, you don't, especially if you're. All right, gold. You're doing too much.
Like how you are, yeah. Look, see, it's right there on your TP. It's like, Is that so you adding to it? No, I thought that was a take profit.
Mm-mm.
I was mistaken.
We add to gold, especially when she starts to move. I mean, as long as you keep a tight stop on gold, it's free money, in my opinion.
And you're trading this with an Apex account, so you got that trailing drawdown.
Oh shit, man, gold, come on, man.
You said easy money, and gold was like, okay.
Shit, I looked away and she popped right back up.
Yep. See. You got to choose your words carefully.
You know, I gotta stop talking shit to gold because, like, dude, every time I say something good about her, she always tries to show me how nasty she is. Like, she always does that shit. She says, "No, I'm nasty. I don't want to be known as a good girl." I want to keep on dropping.
And the 300K, you got to make what 20K in profit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How
Where the
far
hell is my
along
other
are you?
stop at? I had to close this because for whatever reason, my other order didn't pop up. I have no clue why that happened. Let me look. Shit. Hey, Smith, you still in that Nasdaq short you was talking about? You still in that
Nah, I
Nasdaq
closed
short?
it. I closed it.
Oh.
Took my profits.
Oh, because Nasdaq did that unnecessary pop up. She ain't hit none of your targets, huh?
Well, it retraced back to so I have a fib, like one of the Fibonacci's on it, and it retraced back to the 786. So
780.
You got jokes, huh?
can't wait to go trade some beans. You should be a soybean trader. Stay off my charts. Go trade some beans. Black beans, coffee beans, pinto beans.
Soybean trader, that's funny.
Soybeans Anonymous.
Soybean sherm.
Coffee Beans Anonymous. Yeah, we sell coffee beans over here.
What them beans looking like?
Yo, don't make me check the stats on it.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at I'm looking for the ticker right now for soybeans.
Man.
It's ZMN.
ZMN.
There's soybean oil and soybean meal. Soybean oil is ZLN. Soybeans just by itself is ZSN. They have all three on the top step.
I love gold. I love gold.
Nice. Soybeans look nasty.
I bet if I switch my screen, she's gonna do something crazy. Yeah, I see all that liquidity on at 350. Actually, that's where my TPs are at. Around where my TPs are is exactly where, if we get down there, I want to get. I want to try for a long. Right there in that area of liquidity, right there.
At 33.50.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, that's where the VWAP is.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Or like
Yeah. Yeah.
33, like 53, 54, somewhere in this range right here.
Oh,
Like where my target's at, like 54, 53. This range right here.
gold actually respects the Bollinger Bands that I use.
Does it?
Yeah.
Which ones do you
It's
use?
once I use, well, I have two Bollinger Bands, one for the second standard deviation and one for the third.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever it touches the third one, that's when it reverses.
And this is for like your VWAP and stuff like that?
Well, just the Bollinger Bands,
Bollinger
because I
Bands?
have the Bollinger Bands, and then I have the 20, like the 20 moving average
Mm-hmm.
as like a midpoint, and then the VWAP is just like outside of that.
Mm. Yeah, gold is gold respects structure, and we had a double top earlier today in the stream that, you know, obviously trading the Nasdaq, you can't really just trust those. You got to kind of wait for confirmation. But, you know, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it and see what happens. And gold just blew my mind. Clean double top rejection, easy money to make. And I'm sitting here thinking like, man, Nasdaq got me thinking that the double top on gold ain't gonna work.
Uh-huh.
You're like, man, look at this. Look at that.
Mm. All right, gold. I mean, what are you gonna do? I mean, you gonna keep going down or what? Oh shit! You know what? I just saw something. I just saw this. Let me look at this. I will say that I know I'm kind of playing around with this short because I know the bulls are loading up somewhere. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. 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 I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I think I'm good.
In the general chat, I posted up a picture of the chart to show like the Bollinger Bands that I use.
Okay.
And I circled the areas where when it touches the third standard deviation is usually like a pullback or a rejection.
Okay. I'm gonna look at that in a second. I mean,
There's no rush. I mean, you got to focus on your trade. And we don't want gold to get away from you.
yeah, because she will do it. You look away, and all of a sudden,
Oh
it's
yeah.
like, oh shit, I'm
It
done.
looks like it looks like it's already getting away from you.
All it needs to do is respect this trend line. That's it. That's all it needs to do. Oh shoot. Okay, so this is what Alfred's talking about with gold, with the Bollinger Bands and the deviations and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
respect that trend line.
the third standard deviations, I have the top one, I have red as a sign of all right, time to get out. And the green one, when it taps that, it's like, all right, time to buy.
Yep, can't wait. Yep. The first thing I think about when I wake up, never mind. I can't even unpause that. How could I piss off Game Weight today? Oh, he trades gold?
That's what Sherm dreams about. He's dreaming in his dreams. He sees Game Weight getting angry, and he just smiles.
There we go, baby. We see that. Boy, we up.
Yeah, that's a
We up.
straight down red candle.
Hey, Smith, we gonna bring your talents over here to gold. We ain't gonna bring your talents over here to gold, cause I mean, I made and lost so much money, and I'm still in the same spot.
Made it lost so much.
Sherm is treading water.
I'm taking my talents to gold. Just imagine me in that that LeBron interview. It's like, so are you gonna stay with the Nasdaq? I'm taking my talents to gold.
I'm giving it some thought. I'm taking my talents to gold. Nah, you can have that. You can have that. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that pump that looked nice. I'm looking at it now. The pump that it had.
Yep. I mean, some nights gold just it just keeps moving, but then some nights you might it'll zigzag, do back flips, front flips.
Yeah, that's definitely true. Hopefully it doesn't go back to that, because we don't need that. Gold, stay the way that you are. I mean, as long as Trump is president, I think gold going to keep doing this.
Yeah, because all that uncertainty, that's
Hell
what's
yeah.
pumping it.
Mm-hmm.
People are like, look, man, all these tariffs gonna mess up my accounts. I need to put my money somewhere secure.
Yep, that's exactly right. With all this uncertainty, gold just gonna stay jumping. It's gonna make all new all-time highs every day. So yeah, as long as Trump's president and he keeps talking about tariffs and then flip-flopping on China, gold gonna stay
We're about to
jumping.
give them the biggest tariffs ever. They say, nah, I changed my mind.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna give them like 10,000% tariffs. They can't sell nothing here. Damn it.
It was 175, now it's 200. He's like, nah, my bad. It's 125.
It's like, you know what? I was a little bit harsh. I had a bourbon before I came on the press, so a little bit hype.
I was tripping. China. My bad.
Yeah, my bad.
Hey, Sharp. What's that mess you was talking about in Q?
Oh man, I don't want to switch over there. Oh, what? That took all day. That took all day. She took all day to load that.
And Q's about to make a new low.
You turn your attention to the NQ charts.
I see that slow grind she doing right now. I mean, Gold been doing that. Gold been doing that.
Slow grind. Suck it.
Nah, gold's in one spot right now.
Hey. Gold is gold. The higher gold is 33.7, and she had 33.660, so she dropped 17 points. she moving.
Nasdaq dropped 100 points.
Congrats.
She moving.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy for you.
This 5-minute candles finished out 37 points down.
Yeah, NQ was down. Yeah, NQ was down from what? It got up to what? 874. It's now at 763. So it's down like 111 points.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do this? The number swings.
Okay, I'm gonna take two of those.
Turn your attention. I'm streaming it in Discord. Turn your attention to the charts.
You want me to put you up? I mean, I got a gold treating me nice. Like, dude, I lost money, I made it back, and this is why I've taken my talents to gold. That's what we talking about. Look at that, baby. We up, baby. We up. I bet you ain't got 3,400 in your account right now.
Well, I can only trade one contract, so you can't really even.
Is this the eval to live thing?
Nah, this is just the 50K starter.
Oh, the 50K starter. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know what? VWAP is right here. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go long here. I should have stayed in my long. I should have stayed in my short, I should have stayed in it. I'm up $3,400. Maybe. I mean, am I pushing it? Am I pushing it? Am I pushing it?
I don't
You know
know.
what? I'm gonna take the
If it,
3,400 for the night. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna
yeah,
take it.
I mean,
I'm gonna take
it's
it.
always like tomorrow's a new day. You already have a big like head start.
No,
Good position.
I'm gonna take
That's
it
not
though.
good enough for Sherm.
You know his shit
I
either.
had the hesitation.
If I should get out now, because I lost like 400 in the beginning, flip flopping.
Oh, what was that?
Before I figured
What word did you use?
it. That's just because I was figuring. I mean, I was in up here around 18,838,
Mm.
and I was like, well, is she pop long or is she going to continue down? And I kind of saw it a little too late. I wanted her to keep going long, but it was like, whatever. So I flipped short. This one, yeah, I lost 400 because it pushed down so quick. Like I tried to get out or reverse it way sooner, but this candle here kind of caught me.
Yeah.
It's not like I should have.
Yeah, that's like what happened to me earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, I might take this though. Like I said, I only get one contract to play with. I feel like my target's down here at 710.
Yeah, and the thing I don't like about those starters is that if you have like one bad day, that sets you back like a few days.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Man, should I get back in the account? My baby gold moving. Yo.
So
she
because of
moving.
that,
She moving. She moving.
I'm gonna be disciplined on this one. Well, I did the math on it. So if I make 1,500, then
So I mean, I've done the math. Like, I mean, you kind of have to. So $630 is the highest that you should ever make in that starter account. It gives you enough room to get that first payout, and then it leaves enough drawdown in your account to, to build it back up. If you get too much, like if you make more than $700 a day, you won't get all of the payouts. Like you'll have money left over in the account, and you don't want that. And it's not like that money's going to get transferred to the live account. You're just going to have, like I did. I had over $7,000 or $8,000 left in my account that they didn't even let me touch. And I'm not gonna lie, I ain't like that. Yeah, I had like $7,000 or $8,000 left in that account.
There's a $6,000 cap on the starter payouts.
Yeah.
So if you make more than that, then it's just like, okay, well, thanks, but you're not gonna get it.
Yeah, they're not gonna give it to you at all.
I don't like that at all.
No.
Yeah. So you kind of have to. Go ahead.
That's why I went with the starter plus, because with the starter plus, if you make 6,000, that's like the stopping point. Like if you make like 6,000, then you just do the minimum until you get all of that money out.
Yeah, I need more discipline for starter plus.
Yeah, because I mean, I passed one of them like this week, but then like yesterday, I was trying to like do too much with gold, and then gold it learned me.
Oh, you gonna learn today? Oh, you
yeah,
gonna learn.
I learned a liquidation lesson.
Yeah, I mean with gold, see, I should have stayed in my short, but like I said, just like Gangway says, the Nasdaq has quote unquote traumatized me. I don't even trust it, but gold, she doesn't do the unnecessary bounces. She only goes in one direction until it's time for her to go into the opposite direction, and she'll tell you when it's time to flip.
Will she?
Yeah, she
No,
tells.
she won't.
I mean, she
you
tells
find
me.
out too late.
Shit, she tells me.
Well,
She's
I
like, yo.
don't have that kind of relationship with gold. It doesn't whisper in my ear.
Well, shit. She be whispering mine, or I'll be whispering hers. Be like, yo, girl, what's up? What's up? When can I go long? When can I go short?
Nah, you know she don't listen to none of that.
No.
She don't even respond to that.
Huh? What'd you say?
She doesn't even respond to that. Oh, baby, please. No,
Oh,
don't
no.
do this. No. She doesn't
Yeah,
respond.
Sherm look like a gold digger.
I ain't saying she a
don't
gold digger,
respond.
but she ain't messing with no NQ traders. I ain't
Get
saying
out,
she a
Sherm. Go
gold
ahead,
digger,
get out.
but she ain't messing with no NQ traders. Is yeah, I ain't gonna lie, yo. I mean, when I need to get my money back real quick, yo, yo, Nasdaq, what's up, boo? What's up, big head?
Look
What's
at
up?
that. Mm-hmm.
What's up?
Hey, big head.
Yo, what's up? Yo, I need a quick 20 or 30 points real quick. Let me get that.
Hit it with that WYD. What you doing?
What you doing, boo? What you doing? Interesting.
Nah, you know silver is where it's at.
Oh my God,
I
this
never
guy.
even. I think I touched silver like once. I got in and I was like, man, shit, this $25 a point. Nah, I'm out of here.
Yep.
Silver, huh? $25 a point.
It went up like 4 ticks, and I was like, no thanks. I'm down $100.
Yeah. Mess around with silver if you want to.
Like, whoa.
Yeah. Now look at that pump. Like, I'm looking at a silver chart right now. My goodness. The freaking, the open at 8 pumped up from
Oh yeah, I see that. That shit.
like 32.
That was a
27.
massive pump.
Yeah, that's a lot
Once
of
you
money.
got above VWAP, you just hold on to the long.
Yeah.
Yes, RV. Yeah, I see that too. I mean, gold is, yeah, she's really good with EMAs and trends. And when I say that she's not the Nasdaq, she's not going to start trending down and then have a random 90-point bounce and then continue the trend. Gold is going to finish her job. She's a finisher, damn it. She's a cleaner.
I'm a closer, damn
it.
She's a cleaner. She says, the job ain't done. She says, did I hit my intended target? What's there to be happy about? Job ain't finished. It ain't finished. It ain't
Gain weight
finished.
is speaking facts. Gain weight is speaking facts in the chat. He said all that back and forth scalping shit is crazy. He's like, go back to NQ with all that. Getting chopped up.
I mean, gain weight, man. Hey, it's instilled in me. I got to work that stuff out of my system. I'm going to get there. I'm going to get it. But I'm not going to sit here and say that, I mean, I've been trading the NASDAQ since forever. Our boy Smith put me on. He sold me a gram of NASCrack.
Oh,
and
no.
I've been hooked ever since.
No.
Yeah.
He's your pusher. He's your pusher. He's like clips.
He was a solid ES trader. Back
He was
when
a straight laced guy before Brandon came
I used to trade the ES until Smith passed me some of that NASCrack, and I can't go back.
Let me holler at you, Sherm. Let me holler at you. I got something for you, brother. That NASCrack.
I used to clown him. I'm like, why you catching 4 or 6 points a day? I'm like, I'm over here getting 20 minimum.
Mhm. You over here look like a senior citizen, moving so damn slow.
That was back then. I will admit she's changed now.
Oh yeah,
I can trade her now.
yeah. He just has some pep
I
in
mean,
his step
ES is
now.
still sitting at this same level since it's been.
Well, not pre-market. You know, I don't want to touch ES in the pre-market, but during NY session, oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we saw, and it was easy, easy.
Yeah.
Oh, ES.
When I first started with futures, I traded ES, and I'd be falling asleep. I'm like, man,
Yeah,
this thing's hardly moving.
that's funny. I never touched ES until. Yeah, even when Sherm mentioned it, I still didn't touch it. It took a long time for me to be like, okay, let me place a trade on ES.
Mm.
And that was back then, but it was still moving slow.
Yeah.
But
Hell yeah.
but now, I'm sorry, ES, I wasn't familiar with your game.
I didn't know you had more than one speed.
Yeah, ES. I mean, she all right now, but I mean, that's when she goes back to moving like this. It's kind of hard to take her seriously. Kind of hard to take her seriously for real. But it's easy money. I mean, it's the easiest money that you'll make, but she'll make you wait for it.
Yeah, we just gotta hold. Gotta be bold and hold.
I'm thinking about closing this position because NQ's at a standstill right now, and I gotta go to sleep.
Yeah, it's almost at the low of the session though.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking for that flush, but she sure is taking her time.
Yeah.
We all know the first attempt is a trap. We know that. You know she's gonna get close and bounce. We know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably if she does flush it, I'll probably just close it at that because I don't got time to wait.
I mean,
You
just
babysitting it?
trail a stop. Just have it stop nearby, just in case any foolishness happens.
Yeah. I mean that's a little blasphemous, but I get it. I understand.
No, it's profit. It's in profit. It's not it's not a regular stop.
No, I'm with you. I'm with you.
No, that's blasphemous. No,
Protect
you had it
your
right.
gains.
That's blasphemous.
Protect your gains. Don't listen to Sherm. Don't listen to the flip flopper.
That's blasphemous.
No, with this I can't mess around in this one. There we go. We're getting some momentum.
I remember a few months ago, Sherm was like, "Man, how can anybody trade gold?"
I don't recall that. I don't recall that. I don't recall
I
that.
remember the first time I told you about gold. I said, "Hey man, gold be moving wild." He'd be like, "I don't know about that."
What is that thing called? Stockholm syndrome? Yeah. Stockholm syndrome.
Sherm got the Mandela effect. That's what he's trying to do right now.
I don't recall any of that. Anything that you saying blasphemous or slanderous towards gold, I don't remember that.
Mandela effect. Gain weight was here.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, because I remember you took a trade on MGC before, and you just like, man, I don't even mess with this stuff. What am I doing?
Dang. You don't recall any of that, huh?
Nope.
No, you got amnesia.
Nope. Go. Don't listen to them.
Last night.
Don't listen to them. I've never said anything slanderous towards you.
Last night, Gold was chopping him up. He's like, "All right, guys, I'm in the stream here."
And Gold was trying to show me something like, she's tired of me trading her like she's an NQ. She's gold, damn it.
Yeah.
Trade me like that.
Is she straightening you all the way out?
Yeah, she took my account away last night, and that kind of hurt. But you know what? I forgive you. It was my fault. It's my fault.
I can change.
What's that song? Damn, what was that song? They used to sing to the NQ. I was wrong.
Baby, please.
I was wrong, and I
Baby, come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby, come back.
You can't blame it. Oh, you know what, Gold? I was wrong. I shouldn't be treating you like you didn't cute. Come here, girl. I know you Gold. I get it. You like to follow the trend. You don't like the bounce. I don't need to trail my stop with you. I should be able to trust you. You're right.
I should be able to trust you.
You should.
Keyword should.
Well, Gangway, we can trade Gold together. We can exchange strategies.
Throw it in my side, pain in my ass.
No, Gangway. We can exchange strategies. Like, you know what? I'm taking this Gold on. I'm taking this long on Gold.
Gangway ain't gonna exchange strategies with you. He's gonna be like, stop scalping. The end.
Shit, how else you supposed to make money in Gold if you ain't scalping? I showed Smith the data with Gold. I even left out some of the pivot points.
Nah.
I even left out some of the pivots.
Why you leaving stuff out?
Because I wanted to keep it fair. I wanted to keep it fair.
Did the math on it. NQ, you made more in NQ. Stop.
No,
it.
you did not. No, dude. We got the charts. We can go back and look at it. We got the charts.
We can go chart for chart.
We can go pivot point for pivot point. Gold is out here moving. Dude, this whole night, dude, I've made at least 10K at least. At least. I lost 3K and made it back like 4 or 5 times. Like
The Gangway say you be knocking on the door. Is Gold home?
Bro, come on. We had the momentum. Stop playing.
We all know the first. I mean, if you want to, if you want to
cut it here, come back in the morning when the price action is
a little bit better.
When it's moving.
If you want to subject yourself to this kind of torture, because we all know the first time is a trap. You know it's a trap. I mean, it's just a trap, and that's all Nasdaq is a trap for real.
Yeah.
A trap. That's all she is. Oh, so here's what I'm thinking about Nasdaq for tomorrow. So let me see if I have it on my chart. Well, I don't, and I'm not going to add the data. We rejected at Friday's high. So if we're not going to get above Friday's high, we all know what the next objective is for the bulls or for the bears. Is to fill that gap. I'm looking around 550, 560, 550, 560. Yeah, 550, 560 for the Nasdaq to halfway fill this gap and bounce.
Yes, that's a big ass gap to fill.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
it opened up with like 300 points up.
Yeah, that shit was crazy. It invalidated all my levels. That shit invalidated that shit just with the open. You said what?
Once I saw that Tesla was up after that conference call, I was like, oh yeah, Nasdaq is gonna have a giant gap up. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. I thought it was gonna be like around like 18,500. It opened up near 18,700. I was like, God damn.
Yeah, all the Tesla bears are crying right now because everybody. You see, that's why you can't stick to news, because there's like, yo, there's no way Tesla's beating. Dude, Tesla does the same shit all the time. It's always some story about Tesla. It's always some the investors are angry with Elon, blah, 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 blah. And then it always seems to super dump before earnings. And then when earnings come out, it super pumps. It seems to always do that shit, or at least it's been doing that lately. I forgot to buy my Tesla calls before the close of the market, but
they would have been worthless because all that
volatility crush.
Yeah, all that volatility of it going up and then down and then up again.
Usually
and then
with
down, and then the conference call.
I would have bought it at the end of the day. I wouldn't have bought it in the I wouldn't have bought them in the morning. I would have bought them at the end of the day before the close of the
Yeah.
market.
You're better
Because
off buying them the day after.
you said what?
You're better off buying them the day after because of the volatility crush,
Mhm.
because then the prices are a lot lower. So if there is a pump or a dump, you've gotten in with substantially lower pricing than the people who were in there the day before. So you can capitalize on it.
Yeah.
They call it the IV crush. That's only if it's neutral. If it pumped all night long, then you would have made a killing if you bought it the day before.
Mm. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. I do want to kind of go back to trading options. It's just that I just know that I'm just going to give the market my money. I just know.
Use the black box stocks.
Oh yeah, I do.
Like the gamma levels, because like I have the gamma levels and I have the the dark pool volume.
Yeah.
When it hits the dark pool volume, it either bounces or rejects. So I mean it seems to be a magnet with the negative gamma.
Mm-hmm.
The price seems to be attracted to it. And from what I heard from Mad Moxie, she was telling me that the positive gamma just seems to repel the price. So when it gets to the positive gamma, the green lines,
Mm-hmm.
it's like, nah, we don't mess with that. We want that red.
Mm.
So I mean, I'm still learning it myself because I've only had it for like a week.
Yeah.
But
yeah, those honestly, if see I want to go back to trading 0 DTE using those levels. It's just that in order for me to make the money I want, I would have to at least put a $500 or $1,000 into an account. And then every time I was like, you know what? Yeah, I should do that. And then I'm like, why the fuck would I do that? Why would I do that?
who do you trade options with?
Tasty Work.
Is it do they have a Dom?
No. Or actually, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah,
They have an
look
option
into
chain.
that because the option chain is, I mean, like if they have the Dom, you can get in and out
Okay.
a lot faster with the Dom because they have that on Thinkorswim.
Mm-hmm.
And I know a lot of people who I used to talk to who do options, they use the Dom because when you do limit orders, a lot of times they don't get filled right away, especially if it's a big momentum move.
Mm-hmm.
But with the Dom, you can get in and out a lot quicker.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that.
Because I have a Thinkorswim account. It's just that the Thinkorswim app, it slows down my computer, so I don't really use it as much.
Yeah.
But if I were to go back into doing options, I would like because I've beefed up my computer a little bit. I've gotten more RAM and stuff like that, so I would try it out. Because the Dom is more useful to use the Dom, or if you do Webull lets you put like place orders on the chart. Like they'll let you pull up a chart for the contracts, and they'll allow you to place orders on the chart because the options chart they have it where it's set up with candles on it like the stock chart.
Mm-hmm.
For the contracts. And so like let's say if you got a put, then the contract pricing appears as candles. So if you're in a put and the price is going up, like you'll see a downtrend on the put chart.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, you can place orders pretty much just like if you're doing calls and the thing's going down, you pretty much just do the inverse of whatever the actual chart is for whatever you're trading. It's like, oh, it's going to bounce here, so you buy at the lowest prices you can get and then sell at a higher price.
Yeah.
vice versa. Just something to think about because I have a Webull account, but I don't like using that shit.
Yo,
Because
Smith, take
Webull now
that.
they do options now. I mean, not options, but futures now on Webull. I was like,
Um,
man,
I just want my target. It's right there.
oh yeah, I hate that, man. It's like NQC is your target and it dances. It's like, oh, you want me to touch that? Nope. Like, come on, man.
I even moved it up 20 points.
Oh
bro.
yeah, I hate that.
I mean, I try to tell Smith that shit, he should not be making no more than 630. Yo, if it hits 630, you need to take that.
I'm gonna get out now. I'll close it. I'm going. Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay. Now watch it drop. Yo, that shit's gonna drop now.
So he's out.
It's gonna drop.
It is.
It's gonna
It is.
drop.
Look at
It's gonna drop.
Oh yeah,
I didn't say
fall.
get out.
It's gonna fall back. Oh, for some reason I feel heavy.
Look at that bull crap. It's all good. I'm going to bed. I made minus the 400.
That's a good turnaround, though. You went from negative 400 to 500.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
I mean, honestly, like I said, I mean, I guess you could try to get $100 more, but I mean, you shouldn't. 550.
Hey, don't push him. Don't.
Well,
don't
no,
push him.
I mean, obviously,
that was a recovery. I'm trying to push the man back into a trade. He's gonna be up all night.
Nah, I ain't trading now. I'm done with this. I'll wait till in the morning if I'm gonna open up.
That's what I'm doing because I made 2,000 on my combine. I'm just like, all right, that's good enough.
Yeah.
My other account is my other take profit account will be day 3 tomorrow. So
I activated a 150K this morning, and see, I have to email the take profit people to transfer it to Pro Plus. So I got a generic email saying, "Oh, we backed up right now, so it might take a minute." So I'm just like, all right.
Oh wow.
Yeah, take profit traders. They're saying that they're overwhelmed with a lot of new traders, so support is now.
All these new people, all these bandwagon riders. After
well, I mean, shit, y'all keep requesting, y'all keep saying, "Hey, join TPT." Oh, shit. Yeah, I wouldn't tell nobody about it.
I was trying to get people on board before, but they're just like, nah, that daily loss limit, I can't mess with that. And I'm like, man, I get over that so many times. And they just
you take your profits.
I don't want to mess with that. Yeah.
It would be better. It would have been better if they made it like a soft limit.
Yeah, soft breach.
Yeah. Like other companies, but I mean now they just completely took it away. So you live by the sword, you die by the sword.
Then they get like 1 million new signups because everybody and their mama and their whole family want to sign up now. So, take profit trader doesn't have daily loss limit. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. I mean, because we all know why they're doing it. I mean, everybody. So this is why we know Apex, as much as we like to hate on Apex, they keep changing the game. Like your favorite prop firm is now taking Apex tactics and then saying, "Oh, this is us innovating." You know what the hell you're doing. You know that if you do certain things, it's going to change the psychology of these prop traders. It's called a prop firm, but it's really an online casino. I mean, let's just be honest about that. They saw that if you change the amount of time that it takes for you to pass the account and you take away the daily loss limit on top of that, people are going to try to gamble to pass the account. And once people start to gambling, they start to blow on their account. They start paying those crazy reset fees now that these prop firms got. And this is how these prop firms can start making that Apex money. Top Step.
Yeah, but take profit was making more money when they had the daily loss limit because people were blowing up a lot faster.
Were they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I meant
Oh yeah,
I
you
meant
couldn't.
to show this video. So I guess that he changed it. So the Trader Shop, I guess they changed their name again. Where's that damn video? Yeah, so this video right here, I think he did a really good job. Let me show.
What is going on, everybody?
Yeah, I think he did a really good job kind of explaining the new things that Top Step is going to be trying to implement. They used to be the Trader Shop, but now they're J Seals Trades. So he did a really good job explaining it. So I think y'all guys, if y'all want to understand what Top Step is planning on doing with their new rules, I think he did a really good job. So go check out his video. But
Yeah, I remember hearing Michael Patak saying that he wants to. He's thinking about, quote unquote, thinking about adding the 50% consistency rule to the XFA, and then having the combine be no consistency. I'm like, that's ass backwards.
no,
Let me make all the money
it
I
makes
want.
sense for the company.
Yeah, for the company, yeah. But I mean, I don't work for Top Step.
That's backwards for
I
you,
want
but
to. I
it's
want
like
to
it
run
makes
those
perfect sense to
pockets.
Top Step. Like, yeah,
I want to run those pockets.
yeah, let's do that.
They already capped the damn payouts.
Yeah, that's crazy. That would have turned me off from them. Yeah.
Because I remember like this is right after I made like I had a $5,500 payout, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna try and go for another one. And all of a sudden, it's like, yeah, the payout's capped at 5,000. So I was like, man, come on.
Top Step.
Yeah.
And then now, because I've already made over that 10K, I got the 90-10 split. So I was like, I'm not even getting the 5K. I'm getting 4,500. So I was like,
Hold
all
on,
right,
Top
you
Step
ready?
has a 90. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, once you get over at 10K and payouts, they have the 90-10 split.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like I can only request 5,000 is the max I can request, but then I'm losing $500 on that exchange anyway. So I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah, dude, I hate that. I hate that so much. That's like, man.
I don't mind it for a take profit trader, because it's like, okay, I mean, I'm trading in the live market, so. But with Top Step, I'm like, this is sim money. Who, what are you taking the 500 for? For
Because it ain't in the
convenience?
sim. They're just telling you it's in the sim.
Yeah.
They're just telling you it's in the sim.
You taking my fake money?
They don't want to pay out the full requested amount.
Yeah, because I'm a research analyst according to what it says on the deposits, an analyst fee.
Really?
Yeah, whenever you get like a payout from Top Step, if it's like an ACH payment, it shows up on your account as Top Step analyst fee.
Mm.
I mean, like, what kind of nonsense is this? Like, I'm an analyst now?
Yep. You making that money for Top Step.
I'm like, okay, I guess they're using my data for their tilt indicator, which hardly anybody ever looks at.
Yeah, honestly, I forget about this thing, dude. I really do.
Yeah, I have it on like on the bottom of my Top Step X. I have accounts, and the tilt is there, but I was like, I never look at it. I'm like, I forget it's there. And then Tradeovate has their own version of that thing too. It's called, what is it called?
Do they?
Yeah, some yeah, like what is it called? Let me just take a quick look. It's called Pulse on Tradeovate, which is it looks exactly like the Top Step tilt thing, except it's got like a RPM gauge, like a car, and it's like this much short, this much long.
Oh, actually, I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I think Pulse. Yeah, I'm looking at it now too.
Yeah, that little Pulse.
Yeah, it says Pulse offers insight.
It's basically the same thing as the Top Step tilt indicator.
All right, so this is what he's talking about.
Tradeovate?
Yeah, I think so. on MFF they got it, or so you should.
Yeah.
It should be well, it may not be on the application. You might have to log into the browser. I don't know.
Yeah, when you do
Oh.
the just like how you get like accounts and things like that, like the when you doing the workplace template, there should be a thing on there for Pulse. You just drag and drop it in.
See, there we go, baby. Hey, you should have stayed on gold. You should have stayed on gold. I keep telling you about gold, man. Gold will always treat you
Right.
nice.
What did gold do?
Drop.
Did it return? It dropped. Because I was looking at Nasdaq.
The NASCRAC. All we trade is NASCRAC.
Oh yeah, it's dropping now. I see it.
I left some
It
money on the
broke
table with
VWAP.
gold too.
It broke VWAP.
When New York opens, all we trade is. So right now, people are short gold.
And crude oil, they're long.
Hmm.
I don't mess with crude oil.
They don't have it in the application, huh?
I don't think so.
They should. Because I was just looking at it on mine. Well, are you using the desktop or the? Because I'm using the web version.
I'm
Yeah,
using
he's using
desktop.
the desktop.
Oh, I don't know if it's on the desktop. I haven't used the desktop in a while.
That's kind of trash, actually, if it's not. I don't see it here. Legacy chart, code editor reports, options chain. Let's trade some futures options.
Shit. I've never even
Shit.
traded a futures option in a day in my life.
And I never will. Somebody got lucky and made a buttload of money, but they could have lost their whole house trading that mess.
Oh yeah.
Gold. That's what I'm talking about, Investor Z. Investor Z gets it. We're trying to bring Smith and his talents over to gold. Leave
You
that
never
toxic. Leave that toxic instrument. She sat there and made you wait for your TP. And here, gold over here, shorting.
Yeah, but Sharon, how many times did you have to flip flop before you got it right?
Hey, it doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. What matters is, at the end of the day,
Which way did it go? Which way did it go?
at the end of the day, she did right by me. That's what matters. Yeah, honestly, futures options like that, dude. That's like contract inception. A contract on top of a contract. Yeah, no, I would definitely never use. And like binary
Nah.
options and whatever craziness they come up with nowadays to take your money away from you.
Nah, that's too much for me. You gotta call them what they them.
Synthetic contract on top of a synthetic contract. Like, yeah, no. I got the options chain up on NQ. The bid price. Like, how do you even? Nah, I might play around with it in the sim.
Yeah, and the sim, yeah, that's one thing because you can't lose anything.
Yeah.
Because I saw the ES like options before on Tasty Trade, and I was like, what the hell is this? Like, is this a futures contract? And no, this is an option, like ES options contract. Like, what the heck? I'll just trade SPX.
Yeah.
I mean, it's too much.
Ninja Trader gonna be knocking on your door. Hey.
Like, who is it? Margin. We would call, but you're not picking up the phone.
I'm afraid deleting the app ain't gonna work on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, we heard you deleted the app, so we came to your house.
Oh man! All right, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll join y'all Friday. Wait, yeah, I don't have anything Friday. But yeah, I'll join your stream Friday for the New York session.
All right then. Yeah, it's about time for me to go to sleep anyway. I got to get up in the morning for work.
Oh, I can't hear Sherm if he's talking.
Shit, my bad. Sometimes I'm just mute
He's
the
staring at gold.
mic.
He was just staring at gold for a second.
Oh, how she did you dirty there, huh? Missed your limit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why he giving it a death stare. Like, you dirty bitch.
Ah, keep that same energy. If that
Nah,
was it,
nah,
you
nah,
cut it
nah,
off.
nah,
He's like,
nah.
bring your talents to gold. watch you leave your orders behind.
I mean, hey, I mean, sometimes it happens. I mean, I should have probably got in right
Look
here.
at that.
I
He's
saw
coping.
it, but
He's
you know,
coping. Look at that. It's my fault. She didn't do nothing wrong. It's my fault.
it's my fault, Gold. It's mine. He did nothing wrong. I should have
Wow.
got it right the first time. Damn it.
Look at that. Gold whooped.
All right.
All right, John.
You'll have
All right, man.
All right.
All right, Sherm. Good luck on your. You better take another trade. Or is this
No,
in the
no,
sim?
no. This is in the sim.
Oh, okay. I was about
Yeah.
to say, you haven't had enough, have you?
Dude, gold is I love gold. Just like that guy from Austin Powers. I love gold.
Yeah, yeah. Gold singer.
Gold member or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. That's our gold member.
Yeah. But all right. Yeah, I mean, I guess I guess we can end the stream here. I guess. I mean, why not? We had fun scalping gold, so yeah, we'll
Yeah,
definitely come back tomorrow morning and we'll definitely make some more money on gold. Or I mean, we'll see how the Nasdaq is acting because what she did to me today, yo, that's so dirty. I think Smith got off the stream so he can get into this and get vindicated, and so he can get his target. I think that's what he did. I think that's what he
You're going
did.
too far.
He's seeing this thing keeps going. He's like, nah, I need my target.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need all that.
I'm gonna need my target. Yo, I bet, Smith is gonna probably text me and like, yo, target hit, baby. Or damn, I just wanted to get vindicated with my target.
Yeah, I would hate for him to text you like, man, I should have just stopped.
I mean, dude, the Nasdaq does that. She has an effect on people like that, man. She really does.
You get in at the bottom, it'll bounce on you.
Mm-hmm. Or if you try to, so the crazy thing is with the Nasdaq, you're like, okay, it's at the bottom. You go long and then it dumps, and then you go on tilt, you go short, and then it bounces, and it's like, yo.
Yeah, that happened to me earlier.
Did
I was
it really?
Like, man, I had to. Yeah, I have a 25K Pro Plus account with with a Take Profit.
Yeah, I
had $2,000 in there. I made $600, and I was like, okay. I say, man, I had that idea, that lingering one last trade shit come up. And I was like, man, it's like, oh, it's pushing down. Let me go ahead and get a little bit more. As soon as I get in, the shit starts popping up. I'm just like, come on. I'm like, how did I find the bottom of this move?
Dude, it's crazy how that works, right?
Yeah, and then all of a sudden I'm fighting to try and get it back, and then I'm like, I dig myself in a deeper hole. So I'm just like, I just had to leave the account. I was like, let me get some evals because I can't. If I keep messing with this account, I'm gonna blow it.
Yeah. And it's
so.
Yeah, I don't think gold's gonna. She ain't gonna tap me in.
Oh, she's gonna tap you in, and she's gonna keep going down.
Hopefully, she taps it and then keeps going up.
It's in a downtrend with the whole come down, pop up, come down, pop up.
Mm-hmm. All right,
so it
here
looks
it
like
is.
It's about to tap you in, and then it's gonna tap you out.
All right, there we go. There we go. Let's see. I mean, the only reason why I took this trade was because price is in a range right here. So there's a lot of money sitting right here. So that's what I'm betting on. That's what I'm betting on right here.
Gold's like, oh, that's a nice stop you got there.
She better not come for it. She better just keep going up. She bet not come for it. There we go, baby. There we go. Keep on pumping. She better not come for my stop. I mean, I got a decent enough stop. I mean, I think my stop is literally underneath this range. So this is a good spot for my stop,
Yeah.
actually. It's really good.
That's where the Bollinger Band is. The
Oh, is it really?
third standard deviation. Yeah. At the 3337, right?
Yeah. So you saying that my stop can literally be an area where it touches it and then bounces?
Yeah. It looks like it's headed that way because it's where's your entry? Entry's at 3340.
Yeah, 3340. Yeah.
Okay, because it was at 39 for a second there.
Well, I said it's a decent entry. So
Yeah, it's right now. It's dancing around.
and so far so good. But this is definitely downtrending though. I am not saying that it's not.
Because any one of these red candles could be the the death one.
Yeah, because it seems like there's a pool of liquidity sitting down there around what is that, 335?
Yeah, because the 15-minute opening range is at like the opening range is at 3325.
Mm-hmm.
So it could easily pull back to that because it used that as support earlier. So if it does pull back to there, that could be another support area. And Q is making a new low.
Yeah, Smith jumped back in it. I know he did. I know he did. I know because it hit his target. I know he jumped back in. Let me ask him.
He's like, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like your stop's getting hit, sir.
Ah, shit. Ah, damn. Ah, yeah, it got hit. Oh, well.
Yes, it's touching the bottom of the band. And the Bollinger Bands will make her dance. Well, it's time for me to head out, Sharm.
All right,
Been
man.
real. All right, man. Take it easy.
You too, man. Peace.
All right.
All right, everybody. And yeah, I'm in the stream here. We definitely have fun tonight. We definitely had glad to have Smith, Alfred, be able to talk on the stream tonight. So all right, with that said, we'll definitely come back tomorrow and we'll definitely look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.